let's unlock the one-hand underhand race and chase. So like with the underhand race and chase with one hand, now you just have two hands. So again, like the overhand, you stack one hand over the other. In this case, we will have our left hand under our right hand. You can do it the other way as well. But let's say if you have the left hand under your right hand, instead of leading with your thumb now, you can close your thumb, point out your pinky so that you remember you're leading with your pinky. And what you're doing here is opposite from the overhand. If you are starting with your left hand under your right hand, left pinky is on the bottom of your right side, you cut up, kind of like you're swinging a sword, to the top of your left side, bring it down, cut to the top of your right side. Bring it down, bottom of the right side, up to the top of the left side, bottom of the left side, up to the top of the right side. Right? So it's not a straight cut, straight cut. You want to make it more of a smooth figure eight. You're leading with your pinky. If you have your right hand below your left hand, it's the opposite. So you're going from bottom of the left to the top of your right, down to the bottom of your right, up to the top of your left. So with the rope in hand, left hand under your right hand, bottom right, cut to the top of your left, cut back to the right. And remember to twist your body as well. Remember, when you go to your left, your right shoulder twists to your left. When you go to the right, your left shoulder is twisting over. If you don't twist your body and you just use your hand, it's going to be quite easy to have the rope hit against the side of your body. Because notice when the rope is coming down here, it's trying to go over to the left side, but because I haven't twisted my body and I'm just using my hand, it's just going to hit the side of my body. So make sure that when you cut over, you're twisting your body a little bit and you're letting your hands follow. It's also a bit about a timing piece. Make sure that you turn your body as the rope is coming towards you so it doesn't hit your leg. Again, as you get better, elbows closer to your body, use your spine a bit more. What you'll notice with underhand is it's quite natural to actually end up leaning a bit backwards. Here are some drills to try out once you've started to improve with your underhand race and chase. Pay attention to your elbows. Instead of having your elbows low, try it with your elbows up. Right? This forces you to engage your back muscles a bit more and rotate your spine a bit more. Second thing you can try is your balance. So have my weight right now on my right foot, and I have my left foot just lightly tapping on the ground, and I'm doing the underhand race and chase. And what you can do is when you swing over from right to left, because your weight is on your right leg, lift your left leg up when you go to the left, like so. Pay attention to how your body feels and how your weight shifts to counterbalance as your leg comes up. That will help you understand as well when's the right timing to swing your body over and when's the right timing to lift your leg as you are running. The same you can do with the opposite leg. Weight on my left side, have my right leg lightly tapping the ground, doing the underhand race and chase. When I come to the right side, I lift my right leg up. Again, pay attention to how your body feels and how you try to counterbalance when the weight is lifted from your right leg. You should typically have your shoulder come over when your leg comes up. And the way I see it, typically my rope, the apex of my rope is going to be towards the diagonal back, bottom, when my leg is at the apex as well. So that gives me that counterbalance. And then as you get better, you can incorporate lunges as well. Remember, counter rotation. When you bring it to your left side, your left leg comes forward. Right, left, right, left, right.